Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Woo!
So, hello everyone, it's JD here and we are in my front yard. This is also very nice weather we're having. It's really hard for my camera to keep the light away, which is actually pretty good. It is a very chill, warm, not too hot day. It's actually just the way I like it. Just enough to wear shorts, but not enough to burn my face off, hopefully. I'm just gonna try and be cautious though. Anyway, I got my hair cut. We're gonna go out for a cruise and I'm gonna record a bit more for Passion Driven, but I'm just recording this to let you know that the 25-kilometer radius will be off tomorrow and the regional Victoria border will also be gone, meaning that cruising to really nice areas such as Lorne, Geelong, Torquay, even going inland like the Dandenong Ranges and beyond will be allowed, and that means that we can have even more fun this summer, and I'm super excited for it. Anyway, I am running a bit late. I am going to bring my GoPro and I am going to record, and yeah, I just got to get ready to go because I got to be at Fountain Gate in just about 50 minutes. Anyway, see you soon. Is that a Camry with a black hood? That looks baller. I wonder how much power it makes. Although it's probably just stock, just with a black hood. Don't mind it, I think it's pretty cool aesthetically. Reminds me kind of like a tofu pickup. Like a Trueno, but a Toyota Camry version. Ooh, that's a clean IS. And his rego plate is mint. IS 300. That's cool. Okay, I give you props today. Car of the Drive 2020 goes to you, IS 300. Clean example, I swear to God. That's cool. I love it. Oh, that exhaust tone. I am just hyped. Carbon wing, everything. Oh boy, that is mad. Damn, so many clean cars out now that lockdown's eased. Or easing. I don't know. It's still in the process. We're not in COVID normal yet. But I just want to say that it's eased. I just want to say that it's eased. I want to grab some sunset shots for the documentary. Here we go. Here we go. There's a police car behind me too. If I get pulled over, oh no. I just want to talk a minute about something I've felt as a car guy. I don't know if it's just me or if it's like a lot of people. Do you ever get a feeling whenever you see a cop that you're like, oh no, is he coming after me? Is he gonna pull me over? Or am I gonna get a fine? What have I done? I don't know what it is. For me, I always feel like that whenever I see a cop in the opposite lane. I feel like they're gonna turn and come get me. But I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm an innocent person just going on my commute. I got my head camera on and I feel like, oh, is he actually? He's actually behind me. Okay. What the hell happened? Okay. Okay. When I was talking to you guys about that feeling that you get when there's a cop in the opposite lane and you just worry that they're gonna pull you over for something? Well, that cop was behind me trailing for about 1 kilometer, really like close to me, and I was like going the speed limit. I was just being chill. I think he's probably right. He probably wrote down my rego or something. I don't know. But he just did that, carried on his merry way, didn't pull me over, didn't put the lights on. I had my heart pumping. I had to turn off the recording because I don't want to get in trouble for something that I wasn't sure about. I don't know if driving with a GoPro on your head is legal or not, but I do understand like road safety and all that, and if it is illegal, I will stop doing it, but I haven't been told off yet. So far to me, I'm just treating this as a close call. I didn't get pulled over, but I had a near heart attack from that.
Horrible thing.
I'm just glad to see cars out again.
Yeah, 630 bucks.
That's near the exhaust.
That's DEA.
Fuck, they weld that.
Because it fell off. No, like they had a leak. So they pre-weld those mufflers and they just chuck one on. Yeah.
So I see you're riding stock at the moment because of the defect. Whoa! So many good cars at once. If anyone asks to know what these cars. Yeah. There's even a Skyline over there too. Way more people rocked up than I anticipated. Dude. I don't think most of these people are with my group. Like I think roughly 5 or 6 of them. Sorry guys. I know, sorry, it's my bad. Oh, that's okay. So my planning skills aren't the best. So I organized a spot literally in the same spot that most people are going on another cruise, and it's 5 kilometers out of my radius. And as fun as it would be for me to go up there, I don't want to get fined or defected, so I'm gonna go straight to Glenny and then I will probably do something else. I wish I could join in that. It's only by a couple of hours, but still. I'm not risking getting a fine or defect or anything. Anyway, off to do our own thing. So here is where it gets tricky. I'm trying to get the sun out of my face, so that's kind of not good. Anyway, people had a plan as well at the same location as me. So some people are going off to do their thing. I'm gonna go off and do my thing. And at the moment, I'm just waiting on people who just want to chill. I've kind of just gone with the flow here. Planning is hard. They don't tell you this like when you're growing up. Planning is really hard. If you don't plan and like keep things up with people, make sure people are on the same page. Yeah, you won't get the message across for what you're trying to do. So next time, I just got to message people before the day. That's a noise. That is a Supra. It's a Supra. Pardon the Supra. I'm just going to chill, wait for my friends to get here, and then we're just going to have some fun times. So yeah, anyway, I'll see you guys later. That a Supra? Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? What are you doing?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
I don't know.
Anyway, I don't know who's following who, but I'm gonna go, and if you guys want to follow me, you can. Here we go.
Just rip the sign off and go, ha, it's not that, mate.
Well, what a nice day. And then tomorrow it's going to be even better.
Yeah, I'm just glad I work in a fucking aircon warehouse.
Oh, lucky. Wait, is it gonna be hot tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Nice car, man. Wow! And then there's my one over here. Should have recorded that, but damn, he got down there safe and sound. All good. So, to summarize this vlog, basically, I originally planned to do something for the documentary. That fell through. Then a super rocked up and I grabbed a photo of it, and then I asked him if I could do a proper photo shoot. And so I took some photos. I'll leave them here. They are mint. And then a bunch of friends pulled up and we cruised down the highway all the way to Mordialloc to go and look at the sunset and chill. And yeah, tomorrow's weather's gonna be hot too, so I better prepare. Summer's coming. Anyway, I'm gonna make this awkward. Have you got anything to end the video with?
All I can say is stay safe, stay hydrated, and just
Wear your mask.
wear your masks.
Yes, we'll get through this, fam.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe if you wanna, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.